Hi everyone, it's been a long time since the last video. I'm going to do an unboxing video today. I'm in South Africa at the moment and I ordered things from the shop online, Faithful to Nature. Faithful to Nature! I ordered lots of things and...
Faithful to your wife.
Yeah. So let's start with... Let's start. Toothbrush.
Firecrackers, man.
Toothbrush, 5 of them.
You're a hypocrite. You got firecrackers and you're supposed to be an environmentalist vegan.
So how is it made of? If you don't know it, it's just bamboo. It's not really wood, but it looks like wood. And only that part is made of plastic, soft bristle. And when it's done, after 3 months, I'm going to burn that wooden part in my parents' chimney. Look, even the packaging is eco. It's recycled paper. So I like it. And then I offered that nice gift to Paul, but he doesn't like it because you have to use water with it and soften the beard hairs. It's a nice old style thing, but he doesn't like it, so I'm going to give it to a friend of his that is going to use that kind of thing. Next, after the toothbrush, the toothpaste, we got nice what's that? Fluoride-free toothpaste for kids, because we are kids, right?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Tastes nice. And then some nice B12, sublingual B12 that you actually put beneath the tongue so that you can assimilate it much better than just swallowing it. So it's nice. Usually we do injections, but you know, we stay here for 3 months, so we're not bothering with that. And Paul doesn't even use them. He's going to wait for the next injection. And next, a face cream. This one is oil-based. There's coconut oil and almond oil and other oils. It's nice. It's very greasy. I think it's good for winter. For summer, not so much, but it smells good and I like it. I used it for a month and it's okay. And then I also bought another face cream, but this one is water-based and I really like it. I have used it for just 3 days, but so far I like it. But it's super expensive, so I'm not sure I'm going to buy that again, but it's awesome. It's vegan and everything. By the way, all the products that are here, they are plant-based ingredients and not tested on animals. So that's exactly what I want to order. And then what's that kind of thing? Before I thought that all the hyaluronic acid was omnivore, so I never bought it and never even tried it. But then I saw Natasha use it and it was a vegan one. I was like, wow, does it actually exist? Is it a thing? So yeah, this one is plant-based, so okay, let me try it. I'd like to get rid of that little wrinkle here. Let's see if I can, and if I can't, then it's alright. I'm still going to love myself. And then some food. Well, this one is for Paul. This is polenta for Paul. He uses it as breakfast. You know, normal people, not even me, they use oats for breakfast, and he uses polenta for
normal,
breakfast.
You know, that's why you're gonna marry me, because I'm not fucking normal.
Yeah.
I mean, who the fuck wants to be normal?
We are not normal. Normal is not always so fun. Anyway, he loves polenta. You should try it. And then a gift for myself. The last thing, amaranth. I don't remember the taste of it because I tried it when I was a child and then I forgot. I don't even know the taste. So I think it's going to taste like quinoa. I'm not sure, probably. Can you see? I'm going to try it maybe with some raisins or diluted tomato sauce and soy sauce and chickpeas. I don't know. I'm going to try it. I'll let you know. Okay, if you have any question about these things I bought, just let me know. And I will answer in the comments below. See you soon. Or maybe in 1 month again.